Hey guys, it's Stacy and you're on Wow Stacy.
Wanna know if I can hit it from behind though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine though. When it's over, I press rewind though. Talking bands.
So today I'm going to show you guys my braces cleaning routine, how I floss, brush, basically how I maintenance it day and night. But like, I'm gonna do the whole full procedure right now, but I do not do this every day. I'm gonna keep it real with you guys because I am lazy and I just brush my teeth and I go. So I'm just gonna show you guys some easy ways to do it and probably some different ways I would likely do it. And at the end of this video, if you want some more information about what I used and stuff like that, check that out and stay tuned. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I could not find a place where I would not be making enough noise to do a voiceover, but then I realized that this video is self-explanatory, so I will not be doing a voiceover of what I am doing. Hopefully you guys understand. If there is something that you don't understand, please comment it down below and I will reply as soon as possible. Bye.
She's got class and style, street knowledge by the pound, yeah. Baby never act wild, very low key on the profile. Catching feelings is an art. Let me show you how it goes. Loves the word, spins the verb. Lovers it good, freak what you are. I like the way you work it. No diggity, I'm about to bag it up. I like the way you work it. No diggity, I'm about to bag it up. I like the way you work it, I'm about to bag it up. I like the way you work it, and I got this soda. Remy boys that know, fast money don't slow.
Okay, so now that that is all done, I am going to pretty much do the rest of the extra maintenance, but usually on a day where I go to school and I'm not really like, I have things to do, I just brush my teeth and I go. And sometimes I might water pick or floss, but it's more likely just brush and go. So let's continue. This is what I would do in a full routine, which is rarely.
I like the way you work it. No diggity, darling.
Okay, so this is what they gave me on my cleaning, my dentist cleaning, and I don't use this. This is too much work. It's basically a line of string that they usually give whenever you first get your braces, and it's easy to just go through your braces and floss, but with me it's not necessary. I rather use a pick that just goes easily in and I don't have to act like I'm stitching something. Okay.
I'm sipping on you like some fine wine though. When it's over, I press rewind though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robins, and he's playing Batman. Freddy's gonna rob him. Yeah, I got the Glock in my robbery. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, I got the Glock in my robbery.
Okay, so now that I'm done with that part, now if you're like in a rush and you don't feel like stopping and doing all of the work with this, which is pretty efficient, it's better than using regular floss, so I definitely recommend that. But if you gotta be somewhere and you're willing to spend an extra $30-something, just go to Walmart, get yourself a water pick. I just got the normal one. It comes with its charger and it comes with like two little nozzle things, and you basically click the on and off button. At first it was a little tricky, like I sprayed water all over me, but after a while you get the hang of it, and it like takes charging really good because I haven't charged this in like 3 months and it's still like doing its job really well. But yeah, so we're gonna press the on button and we're gonna put it in my mouth.
Baby never act wild, very low key on the profile. Catching feelings is an art. Let me show you how it goes.
If you want to make this extra clean and you want your mouth to be extra fresh or something, you could definitely put Listerine mouthwash in it and it'll spray that out. I remember when I first got my braces, I mixed it with water so it wasn't too strong going into my gums. But yeah, so just to end this braces routine, Listerine Cool Mint, but I recommend using the 3D White Luxe from Crest. It works better. And I know they say don't use whitening stuff for your braces. Honestly, it doesn't matter if your teeth was clean before, then yeah, but if your teeth was dirty before, then that's a problem. The routine is pretty much all done. I'm about to like go hop in the shower, but anyway, this is just giving you guys different ways. You don't have to use an electric toothbrush. You don't need a toothpick. It's not necessary. I'm just extra. Before I got all these supplies, I just used a regular toothbrush. Honestly, I went to Target and I saw this and I was like, this would be so much more efficient, because when you're using a regular toothbrush with braces, you just kind of have to do a little bit more work to get in there. And I found it for like $5, and if you bought 3, you got like a $5 Target gift card. So I said, why not? So if that's what you want to do, you do it. I'm not forcing you. I'm not saying it's necessary. It just makes things a little bit easier. As for a water pick, I think that you should all have it, because even when your braces are off, it would be really helpful and you don't have to like floss, I guess, because I'm pretty sure when you get your braces off, you're still gonna have a retainer down here for a while. So, you know, it just makes things easier. As for the other floss stuff, if you're like cheap gang I am cheap gang, but sometimes I be a little bougie with it. So you could just use regular floss. I just rather use the little pick thing because it goes through my braces. Go to Walmart, I got it for like $3. It goes through. And if you're like on the go or something, it comes with a little packet. I have like a little bag. If you want to check out my video where I explain everything about braces, what you need, what you don't need, like I keep it real with you guys, definitely check out my braces 101 video. It should probably be somewhere like in the recommendation box. So yeah, definitely check that out. But if you have any questions, please comment down below, because I have nothing better to do with my time, so I could answer your questions like this, okay? Anyway, I'll see you on the next one, and make sure you check out my natural hair videos if you want to see how I got my hair so voluminous and cool and stuff. So yeah, see you on the next one.